Hi, my name is Dr. Simon Agger, and we're looking at core strengthening, and we're looking specifically at neck strengthening. So we've got Pete here. He's going to go through some cervical extensions, and this does two things. It not only strengthens the neck, but it also helps to remind the body of the normal lordotic curve in the neck. Again, that should be like this, and many people it's very straight or reversed there. So it's actually going to feel good as long as the inflammation is down in the neck. So we don't do this if we get any inflammation in the extension. As Pete extends back through here, that's what we want to do. We want a little bit of pulling in the neck so it's actually strengthening. He comes back to neutral. He's going to do 10 reps of this. And you see it goes all the way back like that and comes back like this. And it's all in the neck. His shoulder blades are packed down together, so he's in a good position through here, and there should be no pain. If pain's increasing, you quit. Now, in a lot of you, it's going to feel fantastic doing this. And when you get to the end, you can hang out in extension. So Pete's going into extension right now, so go ahead and go all the way back, Pete. And you can hang out right there. And that actually feels really good and comfortable. And you can hang out there a little bit. You can even do this seated and just bring your unit down a little bit in a chair if you want to do a little bit more cervical extension to help reinforce your cervical lordosis. Again, my name is Dr. Simon Agger, and that's cervical extensions.